are going to love the 2019 INFINITI Q50. Q50 has elevated design expression by breaking all the design rules. Along with the signature appearance, it also comes with power. The breathtaking performance of INFINITI's Q50 engine leaves nothing to be desired. The engine block is crafted out of aluminum alloy to help reduce weight and increase responsiveness, giving you incredible power and a truly thrilling drive. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power passenger seat, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, power steering, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, security system, fog lights, trip computer, electronic stability control, compass, rear window defroster, power windows, CD player, panic alarm, power moonroof, brake assist. Come see the car for yourself.